All right, friends, how are you today? Happy Saturday. It is the 27th of April, 2019. I'm Aaron Michael Eschenberg, bringing you your daily horoscope. So we've got the moon in Aquarius all day long, in the middle degrees, forming a nice trine over there to Mars. This is a very positive aspect. Okay, these are both air signs, all right? Aquarius is all about the community. So it's a very community-driven day, which is awesome because it's Saturday. So we're going to be going out, and it's about forward-thinking conversations. So it's a lot of like higher talk, and it's not being stuck on the same old dog and pony show kind of stuff. It's not going to be a boring Saturday, that is for sure. And with Mars and Gemini creating this beautiful trine, so it's this extra flow of information coming in, right? And the moon and Mars are both creating a sextile to Mercury in the middle degrees of Aries and to Venus. So let me go to the chart and show you exactly what that looks like here. All right, so oops, we are a day ahead of ourselves. This is the 27th, okay? So this is the moon right here in the middle degrees of Aquarius. Here is Mars down here in the middle degrees of Gemini. Now Mars is creating a couple different aspects. Here's that trine, that triangle right there, that blue line over there to the moon. Now it's creating a square, if you follow this red line here, over here to Neptune, like we talked about yesterday. Becoming a little bit too obsessive on something, fixating on one thing. And we're creating this every day a little bit closer to this opposition to Jupiter. It's coming a little bit more next week. So, but today we have, right, this sextile. Look at this weird little star asterisk kind of thing, all right? Going right here to Mercury and to Venus in Aries. So what exactly does that mean? So like we said, the moon is our emotions. The moon is what we need. Okay? Venus is what we want. Venus is over in Aries. So this is ourselves. And Mars is how we get the stuff. So Mars is in Gemini, and again, Gemini rules the hands. So we're going to be taking our own action and moving into this, okay? We're moving into the community. We're taking our own action, and we're going to spark the conversations that we want to have. So it's not just like waiting, it's like sitting here like, oh, I wish I was just, the same thing is going on. There's these same boring conversations, or the same, opportunities, or the same this, it's not what this day is going to be about, because one, there's a spark of self. There's this inertia to like, hey, I have the power to put one foot in front of the other. I have the options to look at what's going on within the community, find the things that, that interest me, seek those things out, and then the people that are going to be this community that's going to be it. I'm a drummer. I like drums. Oh my God, there's a drum circle. Okay, cool. Then I'm probably going to have the conversations, or I want to go dancing. All right. What kind of music do you like? Boom. You're going to be, if it's tango or salsa dancing, you're going to find other people that like tango and salsa. If it's getting down in the club and, getting on some EDM music, you're going to be surrounded by the people that are like-minded and going to have the same or the conversations of the like-mindedness that you're aiming to get. And you're going to be, again, not doing the same routine, which is good, because this Mars square Neptune can be, again, like fixating on this one thing, where now it's just like, okay, we have all these options laid out in front of us. We have a lot of opportunities. We have a lot of avenues that we can go on that are not going to lead us down to the same, the same path or the same ending. So there's a lot in front of us today, a lot of options. And it's not a daunting thing. This isn't like one of those things like, oh my God, there's too many colors. I'm just going to go back to the basics. It's like, oh, the 136 crayon box is too daunting. I'm going to go back to the 8 and just simple. So that's not the energy of the day, where it's just like, oh, good, we have these options. We have, all of these different things that we can move toward exactly what we're looking for. And then we're going to find the other people that are exactly what we're looking for, that are going to create and spark these conversations and these ideas to move us forward, to propel us into this new future. So it's an amazing Saturday. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you're, feeling this buzz, feeling this electricity, this lot of fire and air. Again, this is creativity, and it blows and it circulates and it moves together. So it's a very uplifting, very positive Saturday. Enjoy the heck out of it. We'll see you tomorrow.